most beautiful people out there. This is Punya and welcome back to my channel. So आज की वीडियो होने वाली है 23 things that I did before turning 23. ये कुछ ज़्यादा ऐसे बड़ी चीज़ें नहीं है, but they are like small activities जो मैंने add की for my birthday month so that monotonous सा ना feel हो ना, birthday month थोड़ा special feel हो मुझे. तो I did some of these activities. बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, trying something for the first time, like doing things a little out of my comfort zone जो मैंने कभी नहीं की. I wrote them down and then I completed that list, and now that it's complete I am sharing it with you guys. ये छोटी छोटी activities से you kind of feel happy and proud of yourself, थोड़ा accomplished feel होता है. I hope you guys enjoy it. These are the things and let's get started. The first thing that I wrote was go to Sarojini Nagar for shopping and Delhi Haat. I've recently shifted, so I wanted to explore Delhi a bit. So I went with a friend of mine. Sarojini की ज़्यादा videos नहीं है क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी और बहुत ही भीड़ थी. So yeah, I did that. I went to Sarojini and Delhi Haat and had momos also. The second thing is go for a Pilates class. So I booked myself a Pilates class. बीच में मैं मर रही थी काफ़ी, but yeah, I tried something new. मुझे बहुत टाइम से Pilates try करना था, so I finally did it. So the third thing is do a dance party or a concert of your own. So I am a very music-ridden person. तो मुझे music makes me happy. Dancing to Bollywood music makes me happy. Okay, so the next thing is learn a choreography. As you guys know, I love dancing और मैंने choreographies learn करनी बंद कर दी थी. So I really wanted to break that and I learned a very easy choreography. वो गाना आया उसका जो main हिस्सा है that I learned and yeah, I felt happy. That is what matters. Okay, so the fifth thing is attend a workshop. I did attend a dance workshop. It was so much fun. Like I danced for about 2.5 hours continuously and I booked like a Punjabi bhangra kind of a workshop. You can have a look at my Instagram for that. The sixth thing is do a DIY. For my mom and dad's anniversary, I made Varmala at home क्योंकि I wanted to make it special and I wanted to give my touch to it. Yeah, I DIY'd that. I made it from scratch. मतलब वो सब कुछ from scratch डाला था मैंने and I'm so proud of it and they loved it. Okay, so the seventh thing is do a full glam makeup. मुझे जितना सा आता था मैंने कर लिया था, so I'll pop some pictures. I looked hot. The eighth thing is buy makeup. बहुत टाइम से मेरी कार्ट में बहुत सारी चीज़ें पड़ी हुई थी जो मुझे एक्चुअली ज़रूरत थी जिन चीज़ों की, तो मैंने बर्थडे का बहाना देके I got them. We have bagged it now. अब next आएगी makeup video. The ninth thing is organizing my jewelry boxes. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with jewelry. ठीक है, मुझे earrings, oxidized silver वाले earrings होते हैं, black metal earrings होते हैं. I am obsessed with them. They were all over the place, so I just wanted to organize it. And guess what? I did. So we are on the 10th thing now. So the 10th thing is go for a solo drive. So yeah, I did go for solo drives during this time. Like yeah, the 11th thing is wear shorts to the gym. अब ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसे अटपटा लगेगा, but वैसे I'm comfortable wearing everything. But in the gym, I always wanted to be that girl. You know that it girl, when you dress nicely, you feel nice and you can work out nice. ये मेरा थोड़ा गर्ल मैन मुझे पहननी है, मुझे लगता था कि सब मुझे ही देखेंगे ऐसा वैसा. रियली इट डजंट मैटर. सो नोबडी गिव अ डैम अबाउट व्हाट वाज आई वेयरिंग और वेयर द आउटफिट यू हैव बीन थिंकिंग अबाउट. कुछ नहीं है, करने के बाद लगेगा अरे यार मैं इससे डर रही थी. बहुत छोटी चीज़ है, बट आई होप दैट हेल्प सम गर्ल, सम पर्सन आउट देयर. 12th थिंग इज गो फॉर अ रन. मतलब रनिंग मुझे बहुत बोरिंग सी लगती थी. मुझे रनिंग बहुत फैसिनेट भी करती है एट द सेम टाइम. सो मुझे बोरिंग लगती थी तो मुझे वियर्ड लगता था कि यार रियली वांट टू गो यू नो run and stuff. So I went for a run in the morning. So yeah, I did that. The 13th thing is go for a solo date. Solo dates मेरे लिए बहुत fascinating थे because I don't actually go to places alone, but I went for that because I wanted to just try out and it felt really nice. The 14th thing is get a haircut. You can tell I did get a haircut and yeah, that's it. This is my haircut and I love bangs, curtain bangs. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. The 15th thing is go for a road trip. I went for a road trip, like a small road trip with my brother. Oh, we really enjoyed. Stopped by KFC and you know we had food and it was fun. So yeah, highly recommended. So the 16th thing is cook something. So मैंने अपने भाई के साथ मिलके I made cheesy mushroom sandwiches, and the other thing that I did all by myself was make mango mochi. That didn't taste that nice. Yeah, but I did cook. Okay, so the 17th thing is get a piercing, and look, look, I've got a piercing. मैंने पहले भी piercing कराई थी, a nose piercing, but वो बहुत ज़्यादा infect हो गई थी and then I had to like remove it. But now I really wanted a ring, silver ring पहननी थी मुझे, so I got that and I love it now. So the 18th thing is watch the sunrise. And I did watch, I love sunsets and sunrise, like watching the sun and being in the sun. Maybe I'm like born in the summer. Like I love when there's light, when there's, pretty sky, beautiful colors. I love that. I love when sunlight falls on the, flowers and on the leaves. It looks pretty and I love that. So the 19th thing is get my nails done. So मैं साल में सिर्फ एक बार nails कराती हूँ. That is on my birthday. So I got these. These are so pretty. I love them. The 20th thing is have my favorite meal because ये मतलब it's the smallest thing that can make you happy. मतलब I love food. I had idlis, I had litti chokha, I had kachoris, I had aloo ka paratha, I had McD. I love McD coffee. So the 21st thing is try matcha. मतलब matcha is everywhere on the internet. I really wanted to try it, so I did try iced strawberry matcha, and which was like okayish, but I am still a cold coffee girly, so I love my cold coffee. So the 22nd thing is try something new to eat. So I am not very क्या कहते हैं उसे experimenting when it comes to food. मुझे लगता है मैं सिर्फ अपने भाई की वजह से नई चीज़ें try करती हूँ. So when I went on a solo date, I tried like new things rather than going for a safer option, which was so not me. So I had dal chawal arancinis. I hope it's called that pronunciation सही हो. And the other thing I had was khao suey मुझे नहीं पसंद आया. Like I regretted it, but still मैंने ही ऑर्डर किया था ना, चैट जीपीटी से पूछ के किया था, बट इट वॉज बैड. मैंने 4 बाइट खाई और वो बस बाहर को आ रही थी. लिटिल बिट regret that, but for the plot I did try something new. So the last and the 23rd thing is journal. Today is 12th of May, tomorrow is my birthday, so one day before I really wanted to jot down my feelings, what I had in myself, so I did journal today. ज़्यादा कुछ फील नहीं कर रही वैसे मैं, बस एक ही पन्ना भरा गया मुझसे. Yeah, here the list is complete and I hope you guys liked it because I enjoyed my birthday month. And also one thing that I made sure was I dressed up every day. Like I dressed up for small occasions. When I dress up I feel nice. क्या सुबह के 8:30 बज रहे हैं, मैं आज ही रन के लिए गई थी. So yeah, I started my day early today. I wanted to get this video here. मैं आज ही edit करके I'll try to post it on my birthday. And this is a small piece of me that I wanted to document. So yeah, here it is and I'm sharing it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.